So the box, my decanter lock for my bike. Already cut the paper. There it is. Now this is 4.27 feet long. 000 for default. I like it because I can get around poles, light poles, things like that. Low bike stands with the little things way down at the bottom. And you have to be able to clip it through. You want to get it on the triangle of the frames, the main thing. The frames are most important. The back tire is the next most expensive thing. You want to kind of get through the back tire with a lock. I use a double lock system, which most of you will not, because this is kind of heavy. FoldyLock, but it's not big enough to get around light poles and things. And since I'd already bought it on the other bike, I bought it on this bike. And I lock the frame to the back tire, and it's orange and it stands out. And people look at it and go, eh, and hopefully walk away and get the next bike next to it. That's the idea. It's all set for 000. I put it in my front bag when I'm not using it. The little thing, zip it closed. Works great. Just set this. You turned this little dial. Click, makes a click. See? And you set it for your combination. We're going to use 3. Okay, see the bump right there? Combination of 3. This is not my real combination, just showing you how to set it. Don't use your birthday. Don't use 007. Don't use your anniversary. Your birthday backwards is kind of obvious, but if no one knows your anniversary backwards, doing it backwards is kind of a help thing if you have to do something. But right now we got it on 003. Okay, I should have had the thing in there. Okay, slide this in. It's got oil on it. It's nice and oily. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna set it for 003 and then turn it back. Okay. Now we get it back to normal. There's your bump. There's the hole pointing up, 003, and it slides in. Okay. Now change the combination to 4. Oh, it's locked. I don't know the combination. Turn it to 3, and it opens. See how easy it is? You want to change it to something else? Turn the little knob from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Set the combination to 5. Dial it back to 12 o'clock. Stick it in. Change this to 51. Change it back to 5. Ooh, it opens. Easy peasy. You don't need a key. I like it. I really do. So, you guys have a good day. Decanter, 4.27 at least. The 3.25 is sometimes a little short. Getting around those little, the little light bulbs. Sometimes they're about this big. I mean, if it's like this big, you're not getting around it, period. Unless you get some giant lock. Or you have a cable with you. Depends on where you go, where you lock up at and stuff. A D-lock is more secure than a folding lock. They're heavy. The heavier they are, the better they are. There's no such thing as a perfect lock that can't be broken or stolen. These quick release wheels, they can be stolen. Someone could you come back and your seat's gone, quick release seat, quick release front wheel. I like locking this up to the bike and the front wheel, and then the FoldyLock to the back wheel. And the frame. See, I've got the frame in the triangle, and you try to get it around something that properly locked. You want to get around something that's not going anywhere, and possibly the D-lock. And the other lock, I try to go around something if there's something I can get to, but I like to keep my back tire with the frame so they don't go look at all those expensive gears on the back. Let's take that, So, nothing foolproof. It's a deterrent. I like it nice and bright from a distance so they go, I ain't messing with that. And go get the other bike. Okay? A lot of times it's just opportunity, especially homeless people, They just need a bike to get around, and they just grab one and go. They don't have a angle grinder to cut through stuff in the time to do it. So have a good day, like and subscribe if you learned anything.